everyone, today's video is all about discussing the requirements to be complied by a ship under MARPOL Annex 6. First, MARPOL Annex 6 is the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution. First, MARPOL Annex 6 is the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from ships, MARPOL. The convention includes regulations aimed to preventing and minimizing pollution from ships, both accidental pollution and that from routine operations, and currently includes 6 technical annexes. The international air pollution requirements of Annex 6 establish limits on nitrogen oxides emission and require the use of fuel with lower sulfur content, protecting people's health and the environment by reducing ozone-producing pollution, which can cause smog and aggravative asthma. Sulfur oxide emission limits. Ships operating outside ECAS must comply with a global sulfur limit of 0.50%. Next, Annex 6 also sets limits on the sulfur content of fuel oil used by ships. Ships must use compliant fuel or install scrubbers to meet these limits. So the next I discuss is nitrogen oxides emission limits. Annex 6 establish limits on nitrogen oxide emissions from marine diesel engines with a power output of more than 130 kilowatts. Annex 6 sets NOx emission limits for marine diesel engines based on engine power and installation date. These limits are categorized into tiers, Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3, with increasingly stringent requirements. Ships must use compliant engines or install NOx reduction technologies to meet these limits. Ships operating up to 200 nautical miles of U.S. shores must meet the most advanced standard for nitrogen oxide emission and use fuel with lower sulfur content. This geographic area is designated under Annex 6 as the ECA.